As you can see, folks, we've cleaned a section here up to this line here, all the way along. Here's your cloth. We've cleaned it using the Brucle brush. This is the Brucle Maxi and LRC1 leather cleaner. So the Brucle is a very, very soft brush. You know, it's a very, very soft bristle brush, as you can clearly see. It's a really nice brush that's soft. It isn't going to harm the leather in any way, shape or form. So you just gently spray on, you know, the leather cleaner like so, and just very, very gently work in. And as you can clearly see, as you're working that in a circular motion, how that it's bringing out all of that dirt and grime combined with our LRC1 leather cleaner. No need to go rough with this. You just want to gently go over the surface, and all this white sort of mixture that you see, this is grease, dirt and grime that the Brucle is lifting out of the leather and taking off. So I mean, it's a really effective cleaning brush for the leather, and you can clearly see there on the end of that arm how that it's removed all that grease and grime on there as well. You can clearly see all the grease and grime there that's brought off as well on the cloth, and how it's made that all lovely and revived on the top of that arm. And you can see all the grease and grime that it's bringing off. You know, it's absolutely amazing. Combined with this one as well, you know, you can see the difference. I mean, that's the fantastic Brucle brush. This one is the Maxi, and we do a mini, which is sort of roughly so big, but that is the Brucle Maxi. As I say, it's a very, very soft bristle brush. They either come white or brown bristles. It doesn't really matter. I think white or black actually, but it's a very soft brush that deep cleans the leather, gets right into the grain and lifts it out along with your leather cleaners. Thank you.